How to fix Hotspot Shield update in process on Windows. Here are some tips that would help fix Hotspot Shield update in process on Windows. 1. Just wait until the update is complete. 2. Run Task Manager and terminate a process by hss.tray/ntf.exe at c:\program files, x86, /hotspot shield /10.9.6 /bin. Try running your Hotspot Shield later. If you meet something went wrong. We're trying to fix the problem. Follow https://youtube.be/p3-1gjdxnzk to fix that Hotspot Shield for Windows not working issue. 3. If the Hotspot Shield update in process issue persists, remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall the VPN app using the latest official download later. For more Hotspot Shield update tips, see https://support.hotspotshil.com/hc/n-us/article/028358452-i-update-hotspot-shield-vpn for Windows.